Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So let's move towards the next reason. What could be the reason for getting the errors in Python? Sorry, not in Python. Here we are talking about C language, right? So let's just see here quickly what could be the reason. So people are generally getting the errors due to forgetting to include the header files. Okay, what is this header files? Of course, you see, whenever you are coding, you are going to include certain files, right? And those files are containing kinds of functions. Okay, whenever you are going to use out those functions, that functions would be exchanged out from those header files. So what happens is generally people like new users forget to use the header files, right? So let's just see the content here. Standard library functions like printf, malloc require header files like stdio.h or stdlib.h. If you forget to include them, the compiler may not warn you, but the program can behave unpredictably. Always include the necessary headers at the top of the file. See, if you are like, let me give an example here. If you want to just use a bigger box, okay? Sorry, you have a bigger box. Inside that, you have a small packet and you want to use that small packet. So without entering inside that bigger block, you won't be able to access that small packet, right? You won't be, you have suppose the packet of chocolates. You want to eat the chocolates. For that, you need to enter inside that packet, right? Then only you would be able to get the chocolate. Similarly, here, you are going to use the header files inside which certain functions are present and which will lead you towards the errorless, error-free program, right? So make sure that whenever you are coding, you are going to use the important header files. From that, you can use the various functions to just to enhance the program, to use the, to increase the speed of the program, performance of the program. So this is quite one of the reasons users are generally forgetting to include the header files. I hope guys you liked out this content. Of course, again, if you have any queries or questions, do let me know. Make sure that again you are going to use those header files, right? So yeah, thank you so much for this. For your attention. Thank you so much. I hope you guys liked out the video. Thank you.